Hello everyone, we are from the Spinal Group and right now we are going to play a role and the theme is a bad cup due to drinking soda. Before we get started to the video, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Hadi Wijaya.
My name is Rizky.
My name is Diki Juniarda.
My name is Andrea Kasari.
Okay, if you guys are curious about the video, don't wait any further. Let's check this out.
So yesterday I went to Adit and drank soda a lot of time, and I made me get a cough so badly. Do you have suggestion of what I'm supposed to do?
Aditi, how could you drink soda that much? Are you not concerned about your health?
Yeah, Hadi, I know, cause I just really like a soda so much, so I couldn't manage myself to drink soda.
Maybe you should go to Sumber Waras Hospital to get a proper treatment and so your cough could get better.
Okay, Hadi, tomorrow I will go to the hospital immediately, so I'm throat doesn't get irritated and my cough will get better.
Okay, you get well soon.
Yeah.
Morning, Mr. Vicky. My name is Andrea from Sekolah Hospital. I'll be looking and I'll be walking from top X every to F and I'll be looking after this morning after this afternoon.
Morning, yeah.
How are you feeling today?
My throat is my voice so bad, I cough a lot of tiredness because I drank some soda 2 days ago at my friend's house.
Have you eaten with normal?
No, I have because I barely and food because my throat already itchy.
Okay then, so I will give you one tea and a spoon of honey to make your throat feel better and so you won't get choked anymore, and I will also call a doctor to give you a prescription of medicine.
Hi, Mas Andrea. Hello, Doctor.
Morning, Mr. Vicky. My name is Dr. Aisyah from Sumberwaras Hospital. So right now I will write a prescription for your medicine, okay?
Morning, Doctor. Okay, Doctor.
So what do you feel, Mr. Vicky?
I feel my throat are itchy and cough so many times now.
Okay, so I will give you a cough medicine so you won't cough anymore and make your throat feel better.
Okay, Doc, thank you.
So this is the prescription of your medicine. You can get it at the pharmacy on the second floor and
Okay, Doc, thank you so much.
So that's all from our video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you.